Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a food review. Don't worry, I'm not going to be doing a lot of these. I'll just do them whenever I have food and I have time. This is a McDonald's double cheese hamburger. Double cheeseburger. There you go. And yeah,
McMuffin.
I took
Eggs.
Yeah. The egg McMuffin and the double cheeseburger. Very good. We already took some bites and then we were like, why don't we do a food review video? So here we are. Let's get a bite.
Another bite.
Mmm. Alright. That was a bite without the
Hey, wait. Cut the video for a second.
I didn't know what you said. Anyways, so this is a burger. Tastes pretty good. Good flavor. Do not see me get that last bite. Very good. It's got 2 bites. Have not got the ketchup yet. Let's go try to get that ketchup.
Also, for parents walking, we're gonna have to pause the video for a second. All right? You just skip through that.
Skip for the pause.
If it happens.
You guys can skip for the pause.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Anyway, so we digged into the ketchup area. Ketchup really doesn't have the flavor.
Oh my God!
As you can see here, the
You
burger.
know how McDonald's made the egg kind of broken?
Oh my
I
God!
completely broke
Mama
it.
dropped the egg. Anyways, broken egg. I accidentally broke the bun a little. It's fine. Looks like we got into a pickle area. Alright, pickle McNugget. Go.
Pickle McNugget.
Push the bun back a
I
little.
fixed my burger.
Pickle a bit sour.
I don't like pickle.
Not special. Okay.
I'm gonna say birds like egg. I'm joking. I'm gonna eat this. I cannot feed birds egg.
Yeah, don't do that. That's littering. Especially after.
Feed them chocolate bars.
Don't do that. For any kid who just paused the vid and went to feed them chocolate bars. No.
No, don't follow my example.
Mm.
Give them candy bars.
God damn it! As you can see, the bun already tearing apart. That's not good. The bottom bun, on the other hand, sturdy as a rock. That's why we're gonna flip them. I'm not gonna flip them. That's a bad idea. Yeah. As you can see, the bun. The ketchup here. Ketchup, lots of ketchup. It's ketchup area.
McDonald's went hard on the cheese this time for me. It's extremely melted.
Yeah, we're both doing a review on this video. What's that? The burger patty, solid, has a meaty flavor, just like a normal patty should. Rip out a piece. This is the patty just about itself. The patty just about itself. Focus. Focus. The patty just by itself is like this.
Oh, I want you guys to show the cheese. Look at
Beefy flavor. Look at the cheese. Look at this cheese. So damn weird. Crazy cheese. Warrior weird.
I don't know what McDonald's doing.
Anyways, I just got into a ketchup area.
I think you said that twice.
That was more than one ketchup area.
Ketchup split. Ketchup.
That's some. There's another pickle.
This is a freaking eggshell.
And this is the pickle. That's all. With the
I threw
ketchup.
the eggshell away.
Eggshell in a fucking burger?
Nope.
Oh, you. This is the
Donald, what are you doing?
A bun is ripping apart even more now.
My egg is.
What is egg?
Broken.
Egg is steady. How's the muffin now?
I love it. I'm gonna feed the ducks egg. driven again. You feed them burgers, the entire burger.
Don't do that. Beep. Don't follow her example. Follow mine.
Yeah, actually, that was a bad idea. I should have given them shirts.
Don't do that. I repeat, don't do that. Anyways,
Oh my god.
finish most of the burger now.
I almost died.
Another pickle. Oh, I just got an onion. Onions are decent. Pack flavor.
I can't tell people, like,
Side bite. Onion
I
and
can't
pickle.
see why people like boiled eggs.
Me neither. And she ordered the fucking dish. Anyways, she ordered the dish with boiled egg and then said, I don't get why people like boiled egg.
What? Because the meat was powering, but I was just teared it
You're
apart.
just slapping the egg on the fucking beef.
I
And you're
just
not, it's not
can't-
even on video.
Yeah, I know.
What the hell, man?
Actually, no. I should have given them fans.
Don't
Oh, the computer.
do
Cleaner, dust.
that.
Bed. The AC.
Alright, I'm gonna get you guys a review of my mouth.
That's dirty.
Hey!
Get away! This is not supposed to be
It's a
allowed.
video. ASMR, guys. ASMR. ASMR.
ASMR without seeing your mouth.
Shut up.
Moms would be like, why is there your eyeball? Your eyeball is there.
How do you like that one? ASMR. Rate us.
You didn't even show your mouth. Think right here. It's good.
Great.
Yeah, I don't know what to say about this review.
It's a great review.
It's ASMR shit. Please don't candy bars.
Look at this.
Maybe,
With this pow! Beep.
maybe a woman.
Hey guys, 1 second. I'll be back. Let me go under.
Then drop something.
我是郑希娜，我喜欢吃冰淇淋冰，我也喜欢吃汉堡包。
I forgot that's how you say it. I forgot that's how you say it. Mandarin.
China sucks. Hong Kong deserves independence. Anyways, next up,
You want to see his nose next? He just itched his nose.
I did not itch my nose.
Oh, yes, you did.
That was a lie.
That is not a lie. I repeat, it is not a lie.
Last bite. Don't
Not
listen
last
to her.
Don't listen to him.
Don't listen to her. I repeat, don't
Don't
listen.
listen to him. Why did he not show his face? Because he was such an innocent.
Spreading Donald Trump fake news. Last bite, let's go.
Spilling download Google fake news. Ronald McRoy.
Neat review.
Is that supposed to be an answer? I literally can't hold on any much longer. I have to do what I have to do.
It was a good bird. Flavorful. All different kinds of flavors.
I'll take the bread though.
It was nice. Promise, bit too big for my kid's stomach. On top of like fries, chicken wings, and stuff like that. Well, I drink water. And I don't like soda. That much. Yeah.
Gabby is gay. Yay.
Although the bird gets a 7.9, flavorful, bit of problems with the bun, and That's pretty good overall. Had some sick flavors.
My one's an 8.5.
Let me review your meat.
The only reason I like this meat though,
It's spicy. Meat gets a 4.
the meat's spicy. I can tell.
4.5 or like a 4.5. Thank you for this
It
McDonald's
probably wasn't
cheeseburger
spicy
food
because
review.
I was eating the boiled egg with it.
Boiled egg. Anyways, why do you give it an 8.5? Give me reasons. It's like a food review, my guy.
According to me, lots of people might disagree, but when I eat the boiled egg and with this
The boiled
meat-
egg.
when I eat the boiled egg, when I eat the boiled egg and this meat, it tastes good and the meat's not gonna be spicy and the cheese was extra melty, but it looks weird. I know.
And what are the problems with the sandwich?
The boiled egg, they picked the boiled egg. Well, that.
And also,
Nothing else.
so the boiled egg minus 1.5 points by itself.
Yep.
Very impressive. Anyways, thank you for watching today's McDonald's double cheeseburger and egg McMuffin food review. See you guys next time on a tier list video.